Hi, my name is Amrik and I'm the proud owner of this Subway restaurant. We are located at the corner of Greenback and Fair Oaks Lane here in Citrus Heights, California. We are right next to Water Ski World and Valencia's Meat. Our current special is we have 3 footlongs for $12.99. We also offer free Wi-Fi, so come by for lunch or dinner. If you're part of Raj's Sacramento Educational Workshop Group, you will receive 1 free cookie with your meal deal.
Hi, I'm Ashley,
And I'm Ziad.
and we just moved to Citrus Heights, and we love coming to this Subway so we can get our turkey and cheese, and
Sweet onion chicken teriyaki.
this is our favorite Subway, so you guys should come and check it out. Thank you.
My name is Imani, and I just ate a delicious meatball marinara at my uncle's